dears, it's me, Miss Rabia. I welcome you all in the Vision School virtual learning program. Dear friends, as we have already learned tracing of numbers 1 to 4, today we are going to learn ahead. I am going to teach you new number, that is number 5. Let's start. This is number 5. Here are some objects. Let's start the counting from the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are here. This is number 5 and 5 flowers are here. Let's start counting of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons are here and also 5 flowers are here, and here is a number 5. Look at here. Here are 3 arrows. These 3 arrows are showing that how to write number 5. Look at here. The first arrow shows make one straight line, and the second arrow shows come downside. The third one arrow shows that make a curve. By using the arrows pattern, we can easily trace or write the number 5. This arrow shows make one straight line, then come downside and make curve. Put your pencil on the starting point. That arrow shows make a straight line, and the second arrow shows come the downside. The last and third one arrow shows make curve. This is too easy to write by using this pattern. Let's try it again. Make first straight line, then come downside, and again make curve. As we have done number 5, same as for other number 5. Make one straight line, then come downside and make curve. Now you can see we have done number 5 by following the direction of arrows. So dear students, after following these guidelines, you will be able to trace or write number 5. We have learned numbers tracing 1 to 5. Now we have a quick revision. Let's start. Start from number 1. 1, 2. What comes after number 2? 3, 4, and number 5. Let's repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students, I hope you have understood all the things. Keep doing practice at your home. I will see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.